Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cold coffee at home. Start by brewing strong coffee, then cool it in the fridge or an ice bath to preserve flavor. Use whole milk, almond milk, or oat milk for creaminess and texture. Sweeten with simple syrup so it doesn't dilute when iced. Blend with ice for a frap or pour over ice for a classic iced coffee and enjoy. Choose the right equipment and beans to make great cold coffee at home. A coarse burr grinder gives consistent grounds, while a French press or cold brew maker extracts smooth flavor. Use medium to dark roast for chocolate and caramel notes. Measure coffee to water ratio like 1:8 or 1:4 for concentrate. Filter and chill slowly, then store in the fridge up to 5 days for best taste and enjoy. Try simple recipes to find your favorite cold coffee style at home. Classic iced coffee is brewed hot, chilled, and poured over ice with optional milk and syrup. Cold brew uses coarse grounds, steep 12 to 24 hours for low acidity and smooth body. Make a concentrate by using less water and dilute to taste, or blend with ice and flavorings for a creamy frap experience and enjoy with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.